There's Barley and Nicholas hanging out. She just kind of creeped over there. Nicholas, get your puppy. Get the puppy. Yes, you're the puppy, Barley. Kiss Nicholas. Give him kisses. Barley, just because I'm watching you don't have to stop. You can give him a kiss. What seems to be the problem? Here. Give Barley a kiss. Who's kissing you? Who's kissing you? Who's kissing you? Kisses, kisses, kisses. Violet's. Kisses, kisses. Barley, give him kisses. Here's Mr. Molson. Kisses. Barley, give kisses. Kisses, Barley, kisses. Kisses. Oh, kisses. Where did she go, Nicholas? Hey, was that nice? Did she give you kisses? Don't turn that lip down to Mama.